And a machine fire a Irama ref for Jamaica versus game. Roughest out here, hear me talk. No pussy test. No in earth.
Yo. What is up, Jamaica? Guys, here with another reaction. Ooh. Today, guys, we are with Knaxx. Yeah, man. Knaxx with 10 fish. So it's a 10 tick this, and so call him 10 fish. Yeah. Make we look on the cover art first of all. Man say, yeah, baby, bro. Stroll in a prom. Yeah, you're in a prom with 3 wheel. Yeah, baby. Yeah, man say you that. So let's go. Sponge Music, pick up yourself, your production, and OLS. I can't see that word there. But yeah, let's jump down. Let's go.
Attention. The country is
now
Knaxx
under
attack. Seek immediate shelter and avoid traveling unless absolutely necessary.
Hold on, pussy 10 ticks. You know badness, you know that there. Let me all go to work already, man. Shut things, man. Murder, you have fun, man. Fun, man. Hold on. Pussy 10 ticks said we split from your disc. Both them a roll deep, never roll with a bitch. Yo.
Pussy 10 tick, your head we split from your disc, boy. You are roll deep, but you never roll with a bitch. I be a man you roll with. I be a man. Remember say you say 4 corners and galas. Remember say you say all them something there. So you might tell you say I be a man you roll with. That is what Knaxx is saying 10 tick, not me. Not me. Not me.
Hold on.
Binds.
Pussy 10 ticks said we split from your disc. Both them a roll deep, never roll with a bitch. You roll mean, you know bother blood clean. Cause now if you say a word, you know tick dead quick. No.
Man say, yo, alkaline office say nothing, member say alkaline cousin this. So I'm tell you, say, yo, cousin office say a word for your dead brother. Me I deal with it myself. Cause just go and build and just go and focus on the bigger one them. You see me? Make me deal with that little 10 fish shot. That's how it
You roll mean, you know bother blood clean. Cause now if you say a word, you know tick dead quick. No care where you're from or anywhere you will get it. Jump on the car ready to give them a visit. One song you get even sure. If it hit a bag of man you part with a wood, them a call fish.
Man say one song I get. They even sure if it. Roll deep, I'm a dog roll deep. I'm full of killer, I mean roll. Man say one song I get, I would even sure if it. So we are say brother. Yeah, don't size up with the G, that's what the G I tell you right now.
One song you get even sure. If it hit a bag of man you part with a wood, them a call fish. This easy spread him out in a crowd. Let you go like them to promote that.
This easy bro. 1, 2, 3 ABC. Spread him out in a crowd. Left it go alas for promote that and put him on t-shirt and put him on button. Cause I'm dead. D-E-A-D or D-E-D. Depends on how you want to spell it. Dead.
This easy spread him out in a crowd. Left it go like them to promote that. Then nah, do not cry, me pussy watch your mouth. Make sure you can defend up your whole block. Like you said.
Pussy nah do not crime. Hey boy, furthermore watch your mouth. So all them chat away you make sure so you can defend it. That's what Knaxx is saying 10 thing. Not me, bro.
Then nah, do not cry, me pussy watch your mouth. Make sure you can defend up your whole block. Like you sense them chip out from me 4 box where you get a spin ton pussy you don't know about.
How do you back to authentic? Look like you sense them jump out, brother. Like you not no sense in your head. How you feel try this alka youth? I want to you. Look like the 4 box them where you get a spin. Decompable. Yeah, that word there. Something in your brain. Yeah.
Like you sense them chip out from me 4 box where you get a spin ton pussy you don't know about. The girl them a say you stink, check your order. Look beef like you hungry, take your whole pot.
The girl them say your rank, rammy goat rope stink. Girl them say check your order. Yeah. Look like you're hungry and look beef. Alright then see beef, you take your whole pot.
Come in a farid.
Take your whole pot.
But the girl them a say you stink, check your order. Look beef like you hungry, take your whole pot. You can't war with the data, you know that. Me will left you up on a little stretch and make you roadblock.
You can't war with the Vendetta clan. You can't war with the data. And you know that pussy me left you up on a stretcher. I want to hear you.
You can't war with the data, you know that. Me will left you up on a little stretch and make you roadblock. Mo be a man, devil don't know a program. Dunkirk ready up a park, make a portal. A badness in a road, man. Not just internet for me dogs post pan. You want dead, so a time for your toe tag. We have a video with you and another man a dance to a slow song.
Man say have a video authentic. Man say have a video with you and another man a dance to a slow song. This don't look good. It don't look good.
Time for your toe tag. We have a video with you and another man a dance to a slow song. Brigade can't out the fire, yeah. Me fire now, pussy hurry and fire back.
Fire brigade can't out the fire, yeah. Remember say authentic was a firefighter before he turned an artist. The man say, yo, fire brigade can't out this a fire, yeah. Pussy with fire. No, pussy with fire back, so your time for fire again. I want to hurry up, we are waiting. Hey, boy, you can't see that. I will not jump out. That's when Knaxx say right there, so not me.
A slow song, brigade can't out the
Fire,
fire,
yeah.
Me fire now, pussy hurry and
Fire back.
As a killer, me no argue. Pambati chat, your little career fall off, now the caliber. No, where I try to follow formula. A fat shot in your face from a caliber. Mountain View killer, they know I see you back away. I chat where I say pussy don't stop it cap.
Mountain View killer, they don't want to see you back. Remember, say that's authentic for it from. Mountain View killer, they don't want to see you back, brother. Man, say you can't go back to them places because you don't know, say, yo, you're not welcome.
Mountain View killer, they know I see you back away. I chat where I say pussy don't stop it cap.
Ah.
Come on. Pussy. Just know yourself, you know, you're not illegal, though. Have a sponge. And that's it.
Yo, hear me I say to you, dog. This are the thing why me like the war. When the war start, other artists get to forward in and match up with them peers and do the thing same way and show off them lyrical skills. You see me? I never thought I would have seen Knaxx and Authentic go at it. And them I go at it right now. I mean, no Authentic I go answer back. Knaxx, big up yourself. Sang bad. What can I say? Who take round one chat? Who take round one? Let me know in the comment section, please. Also, please do remember there's a YouTube channel pinned at the top of the comment section. Yes, the top of the comment section. That's my second reaction channel. I've been dropping content over there like flies, so go and go check it out for me. And let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And I'll be down there. Yes, I'll be there reading. Yes. I'll get you over there, please.
Yeah, 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, brother, review your feisty dog. Feisty, you fuck.